I'm going to show you now how to make sure that stage display is set up and working. So go into ProPresenter Preferences, Display, and make sure that Enable Stage Display is selected. I'm not going to do that now because it will change my screen. So make sure that this checkbox is selected. Then you close here. Now you have to basically add cues. It's called a cue to each slide. So you got your announcement slide, you've got to add a cue to the first one. Countdown, you're going to add a cue. Songs, you need to add a cue, etc. And all the way down, you're going to add cues to the first slide. So what we do is you go View, Cue Palette, and it brings up another window. Now we're going to drag a cue onto the first slide. So I'll go Stage Display. That's what I want to do. I'm going to drag it onto the first slide. Then it pops up. You're going to say, well, what is this slide? Is it a pre-meeting? Is it a song? Is it an announcement? Is it a sermon? No, it's pre-meeting. So you select pre-meeting, done. Now you'll see a little orange little symbol there. Then you go down to 5-minute countdown. You go Stage Display, and over here, what is this? It's the countdown. So you go countdown, click done. Then you also need to add a clock, a timer. So you click timer and drag it there, and you select, what is it? Is it a 5-minute countdown? Is it an 8 a.m. sermon countdown? You say no, it's a 5-minute countdown. Start timer, yes, done. Then you go on to songs. Stage display, click it onto the first slide, click song. You just have to do it for the first slide, not for every slide. Then Christ is enough, drag stage display, make sure it says song, done. Go to the next song and do the same thing. Stage display, song, done. Then you go down to announcements, 8 a.m. Click stage display. It's announcements, done. Leave the videos, fine. Then go to the sermon slide. You're going to go stage display again. Click it, drag it there. And you're going to go sermon, 8 a.m. Okay, done. Then you're going to click a timer as well. Timer. And what is the timer for? It's the 8 a.m. sermon timer. And then the last slide, you go back to stage display, click it on there, and it's announcements again. Click done, and there you go. So now when you click on that, for example, it's going to bring up a separate slide in stage display. And that's pretty much it.